everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. For this video, I will be showing you how you can download and install SoundCloud application. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Tap upon that. This video is for the Android users. If you are using a iOS device, you need to tap upon the App Store and the process afterward is similar. So once you open the Play Store, you tap on search bar and type in SoundCloud. Tap on search. You will see the search result for the SoundCloud. You tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. SoundCloud is an online audio distribution platform and music sharing website that enables its user to upload, promote and share audio. This app is available both in App Store for the iOS and for the Android in Play Store. SoundCloud is one of the largest open audio platform. Here you will be able to find millions of music tracks for yourself to listen. You can see the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the SoundCloud for your Android user. So this is how you can download the app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.